For today's video, we will use Pesonet Send Money. How to use Pesonet bank transfer from PSBank to other bank online. And if you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, go to psbank.com.ph. Click Login. Here, it shows us that we can transfer funds via InstaPay, Pesonet, and PayPal. We have a video where we used InstaPay and we provided the link to that video in the description below. While for this video, we will transfer money via Pesonet. Although mas mahal yung transfer fee via Pesonet, which is 50 pesos, mas mataas naman yung daily limit niya, 200,000 pesos. So, let's continue. Click this close button and enter your username and password and click login. By the way, kung wala ka pang online account sa PSBank, I provided the link in the description below para makapag-register ka muna sa PSBank. So, going back, click Fund Transfer. For step 1, choose your account number. Since isa lang naman yung account number ko sa PSBank, hindi ko na kailangang mamili. By default, nandito na siya. For step 2, choose your target account. You have 4 choices here. Ang pipiliin ko itong last option. To unenrolled other bank account. And under this option, pwede kang mamili kung gusto mong gamitin yung InstaPay or Pesonet. For beneficiary, choose individual. Then choose the bank. So hanapin ko yung BPI dito sa list. Then carefully enter the account number. Then enter the first name, middle name, and other details here. The mobile number is optional pero lagyan ko na din to ng details. For step 3, enter the amount. So I will transfer 149,000 pesos. Sana hindi mag-fail or sana hindi magka-issue. For step 4, select the schedule of transfer. So let's pick within 1 banking day. Hindi ko na pinili yung immediately kasi obviously ang limit niya is 50,000 pesos. Ito yung pang InstaPay. Then, click Continue. Then, they will send a one-time password sa phone number ko for security purposes. So, click OK. And a one-time password has been sent to your mobile number. Ito yung phone number na ginamit ko during the PSBank online account creation or nung in-enroll ko yung PSBank account ko for online account. So, click OK again. You may review the details again. Magandang sigurado ka na tama yung mga details na nandito. And if everything is correct, then we can proceed. Enter the password here. And also the code na na-receive ko sa phone. Then click Submit Request. Then, it is being processed. May receive din akong text to confirm the status of this fund transfer. And it says here na it will take 1 banking day para ma-fully process tong transaction na ginawa natin. So, ito na yung confirmation na na-transfer na yung 149,000 pesos from PSBank to BPI. I also checked my BPI account and nag-reflect na nga siya dito sa account ko. So, what do you think about Pesonet? Nag-aalangan ka bang gumamit ng Pesonet? That's the reason why we are sharing this experience. So far, wala naman kami na-encounter na any issues. And we are working on more videos. So if you want to be updated, please click the subscribe button. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.